Nee, ons het.
Gewoonslang.
Nee, en snaaks genoeg, ons het terwyl hy besig is om te kap, dis daar 'n boomslang wat uitval uit die takke uit die boom uit. Ja, en ek weet nie of dit hierdie een is nie. Hy sê daai een was groen gewees.
Ja, wyfies, is nou van meer daai blaasers se mag opblaas. Is maar nou net haar manier van, you see, as soon as I grab the tongs, this feels like a predator, you understand?
Ja.
So sy hou nie daarvan nie. Ja, nou open their mouth 170 degrees. Okay, calm down.
Ja, so. Baie rustig.
Sodra jy aan die hand het, gaan sy kalmeer. Is 'n mooi
mooi pragtige spesimen.
You know, daai ding wat die mense sê, hulle kan nie hulle mond groot genoeg oopmaak om jou te byt nie.
Twak.
Maak 'n mond tot 70 grade op, asof hy so vol op die bors byt. Maar kyk net hoe rustig is sy nou. Mooi wyfie. In vergelyking met wat sy was toe ek haar nou die eerste keer gegryp het, want sy kom nou af. I don't want to grab her or get tongs on her and pull her out of the trees.
Nee, jy wil nie.
Because you're holding on to the branches as well, and with that you're actually degloving the snake. That means you're ripping this whole skin layer off. You rip it. And that's what a lot of people do when they catch boomslang.
They just pull.
They just get their tongs on it, and then once they got hold of the snake, they just want to pull it loose from the tree. Where I prefer to get hold of her lightly and then use my free hand like this, because they're not. You see that? And that's how they hold on to the branches, and she's strong. So if she knots like that around the branches and you pull, you break all the bones and the spine and everything,